So, one of the last videos we did, we installed the point system. Now, the point system is really good, really easy to install, but we need games for it. And here is the first game for it that I built. And it is kind of like a staple. You can't think of a current system on Twitch without thinking of the gamble slash roulette slash coin flip kind of game. And here it is. So we're going to install this. This is, again, another really easy one to install. So like the current system, we're going to go to products and we go gamble. And again, this is it. There's a small fee there, but that helps me do things like TwitchCon and stuff. So please do consider. We've got documentation to help you install, and it does explain it a bit more the features and really cool stuff that's in there. But this is one where you will need the deal. You'll definitely need the deal. Well, you need the deal for all of them, so it don't really matter. But you'll definitely, because this brings out one of the first products to actually introduce this, I think, in StreamUp. But once you've got this thing here, you've imported it. We're going to go to test. We're going to open the settings up, and let's see what the settings say. So here we say, what would you like to call your points? Well, we're going to call them points. This should be like really. Hopefully, this will persist with what you put in your current system. If it don't, just keep it the same. Don't at me, please don't at me. This is a bet amount when none is given. So people just do gamble. This is what they'll do. This is a default points amount. So if people only have, as it explains below, if the user only has 150 points, they'll be rounded up back up to 200 points based on these examples. If you don't want this to happen, you don't want people rounding up, then just set it to 0. This is the minimum bet amount, so no one can bet like 1 and spam the chat, so again, you want people to actually bet a certain amount. And this is the maximum bet amount, so if you don't want people getting maximum betting everything or stuff like that, a lot of people like to control that, so that people can still always play. And this is the percentage chance you want people to win. So the higher this is, the better chance they will have. Remember that, the higher this is. So 100 will be winning all the time, 0 will be winning none of the time. And they will push. This will be if the rolls, because obviously they're using 2 random numbers, end up equal, it'll do a push, meaning you'll get your bet back. You won't lose, you won't win, you'll just get your bet back. If you don't want this on, then a match will be handled as a loss. And then this is if you would like to fail, if it comes under the minimum, and fail if you want to go over the maximum. So if someone bets, say you have a maximum of 5,000, and they say try bet 10,000, you can say, nope, you can't bet that much. And that's what that does. And then that is it. Once it's installed, you have it. You've got your gamble. And when you do gamble, 3K, it's going to say I gambled and I lost. But I did have 9K before, so that is right. But you can do 3K. You can do 3K. You can do 3M for million. And you can do all if you want to bet all. And you can do percentages as well. So you could do gamble 50%. And it'll say that I gambled about half my points, and this time I won. Now, how can I change how it says when I win and lose? Well, here's where the magic of this comes in. I'm just going to open this and press compile. Just because. Yeah, so that's what you may need to do. You may need to just open this setting and do that, because what will happen is you'll get in car, custom, gamble, you'll get some triggers. Now, you can't see them because of my big head. But if I show you these again, custom, currency, gamble, and you can see these triggers over here. Now, what these triggers do is allow you to create actions based on what happens in the game. So all in, when a person goes all in and loses, when a person goes all in and wins, when a person goes all in and ends up with a push. This is when any person loses, any sort of win, any sort of push. And these bottom 3 here are only the loss, wins, and pushes when it's not an all in. So if you want, this will allow you to create a different action if someone goes all in and wins. So if you want an all in win, really big fanfare, you can. If you want just a general one, you can do. But these examples here are based on any's. So anytime someone wins, even if it's all in, it'll just say, person bet this is what they've done. And that's how it works. And if you wanted to, you could use C# to put all these in one action and just do whatever you wanted. Really cool. But it's really simple. But that is how it works. All the information you need is in the documentation. And if you do have any questions, do reach out to me. And that'll be it. Until next time, I'll see you later.